Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Today a quick video guys will show you how to remove a radio CD player on Hyundai Sonata. So we need to remove that trim piece right here with a trim removal tool. Okay, and it will come out. Let us show you where all the clips are located now. Okay, it's still holding a little bit here. Okay, in this corner. Okay, came out. So check out all the clips. The last ones are metal ones, and the rest of the other ones are plastic clips. Okay, so we got it out of the way. That should be a helpful video for the 05, 010 generation. Next we need to get a Phillips screwdriver, okay, and we will need to remove a few screws. Okay, you can see this one is even broken there. Okay, because this is the switch for the airbag. Okay, it's gonna come out like that once you remove it. And this is the emergency light switch there. Okay, so we'll pull this switch out too. It's stuck a little bit. Because there is a clip, two clips, okay, you can see holding it. Okay, so it came out. You need to make sure you have the white clips, otherwise you need to find new ones. Then we have 4 more screws that we'll need to remove for the radio. Okay, Phillips head screwdriver, 2 on this side, 2 on the other side. Not very complicated at all. Okay, one is out. It's bolts actually, those are bolts. Let me just show you the one we just removed so you can see the difference. Okay, this is the bolt. Okay, and those are the screws from earlier. Okay, so this one is almost out as well. We'll go ahead and remove these two now right here, and we'll show you what else you need to do. So now we're ready to pull the radio CD player unit out. We'll need to disconnect the antenna. Okay, you just pull it out like that. The wire you push in there and you pry it out. And this is the radio unit guys. Okay, right here, not very complicated procedure at all. Thank you for watching. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.